Jai Gurudev children, I hope you have watched the last video and practiced how to find out the before number and the after number for 2-digit numbers. Good. Let's continue the class. Children, in our last video, using the same number line, we had learnt how to find out the before number and the after number, isn't it? Now here, observe the number line and tell me which is the vegetable that is in between pumpkin and capsicum. Which is the vegetable, children? Excellent, it is the brinjal. You understood, right? Now let's revise how to find out the between number for single digit numbers. Okay. Children, here numbers are given from 1 to 9. Can you tell me on which number is the arrow which shows in backward direction given? Correct, on 3. Now tell me on which number is the arrow given which shows the forward direction? 1. Very good. Now I want you to observe. So now tell me, where are the arrows on which number? You're right, it's on number 2. So we can say here 2 is just after number 1. We can also say 2 is just before number 3. Isn't it? We can even say that number 2 is in between number 1 and 3. So tell me, children, which is the number between 1 and 3 here? You're right, it is number 2. Children, here observe the arrows and tell me 5 is in between which numbers? Did you get the answer? So 5 is in between 4 and 6. You're correct. Now tell me 2 is in between the numbers. Did you observe? It is in between 1 and 3. Correct. Children, as you have learnt how to find out which number is in between the given numbers, now we will do the same for 2-digit numbers. Now tell me which is the smallest 2-digit number? It is 10. Which is the greatest 2-digit number? 99. You're correct. Now here we'll take numbers from 11 to 19 and find out the number which is in between two numbers, or which number is before the given number and after the given number, so that we know that is in between the two numbers. Shall we start? I want you to observe the arrows, okay? The arrow was on 14, it moved forward. The arrow which was on 16 moved backward. Now on which number are the arrows? On number 15. You're correct. So we can say 15 is in between number 14 and number 16, right? Now observe the arrows. We observed that the arrow from number 11 moved forward and the arrow on number 13 moved backwards. So on which number are the arrows, children? It is on number 12. So we can say 12 is in between number 11 and 13. Did you understand, children, how to find out? Children, as we learnt how to find out the in between number, let's do few exercises in our composite book. Turn to page number 79, write today's date and we shall start. Write the number which comes in between the given numbers. The first one is done, we'll go to the next one. You have to tell me the number that comes between 30 and 32. Yes, it is 31. Now tell me the number that comes between 54 and 56. It is 55. Tell me the number that comes in between 68 and 70. It is 69. Tell me the number that comes in between 28 and 30. It is 29. You're correct. Children, here I have cropped the picture, okay? Because if I show you the whole picture, it looks very small, the number looks very tiny and you can't see it properly. So now after we finished the number between 28 and 30, we'll go to the next row here, okay? The numbers that are given after the tree picture. Then we will continue below. Is it okay? Did you understand, children, what I'm telling? Okay, then let's start. Now tell me the number that comes in between 46 and 48. This is the first question on the second row, okay? So it is 47. Now tell me the number that comes between 57 and 59. It is 58. The number between 95 and 97. It is 96. The number between 84 and 86 will be correct. It is 85. Now tell me the number that is in between 11 and 13. It is 12. Now let's continue, children. This is the same page, okay? As I told you, now we'll go to the first row. We'll continue. Were you able to make out? Good. Now tell me, which is the number that comes between 7 and 9? It is 8. Now tell me the number that comes in between 73 and 75. It is 74. Very good. Number between 45 and 47. 46. Number between 86 and 88. It is 87. Correct. The number between 37 and 39 is 38. Correct. Now we'll go to the next row. Tell me the number between 29 and 31. It is 30. The number between 62 and 64 is 63. Which is the number that is in between 91 and 93? Yes, it is 92. Tell me the number that is between 98 and 100. Which is the largest two-digit number? Yes, it is 99. Which is the number that is in between 23 and 25? It is 24. Correct. Now children, will turn to page number 78. You can write today's date. Here we will be completing the exercise to write the number that comes just before, just after. Okay. In the last video we had completed the exercise only in Bal Ganit. So today we will be completing the exercises in composite book. Okay. Now tell me, which is the number that comes before 62? Yes, 61. Before 97, it is 96. Before 26, it is 25. Before 70, yes, it is 69. Now we'll go to just after. Okay. You can see the numbers which are given on the orange line, no? We'll go there. We'll complete this and then again continue. Okay. So now tell me the number that comes after 66. It is, yes, 67. Now tell me the number that comes after 47. It is 48. Number that comes after 75 is 76. Very good. Number that comes after 24 will be, yes, 25. Did you complete? Now let's continue. We'll write the numbers that comes before. I hope you are not getting confused, children. Okay. Please don't get confused. Listen to the instructions. Okay. Now let's write the number that comes before 84. We see here the questions are in green color. Okay. So before 84 it is 83. Before 48, 47. Before 35, yes, 34. Before 93, correct, 92. Before 20, 19. Now we'll write the after numbers. We'll go to the page where we see the numbers given in orange color boxes. Okay, so tell me the number that comes after 59. It is 60. The number that comes after 38 will be, yes, 39. Number after 81 will be, good, 82. After 29, excellent, 30. So now tell me the number that comes after 99. Yes, it is 100. Did you all complete, children? Did you all finish? Children, I hope you all have done your homework. Pause the video and check for the answers, children. Okay. Children, this is on page number 80 in your composite book. I want you to complete it as your HA. We'll check for the answers in our next class. Okay. Take care of yourselves, children. We'll all meet in our next class. Jai Gurudev.